Imagine a world where every swipe, tap, scan, click, or prompt brings healthcare closer to every home and corner of London. For many, this is reality, but for so many others, in our vulnerable communities, it's a daily struggle. Healthcare has not been the same since the pandemic. While the NHS app and website became Lifeline, offering people GP appointments, repeat prescriptions, and blood tests, many have not been able to benefit due to digital exclusion. What is digital exclusion? Or what do I mean by digital exclusion? Lack of access, whether it's data or to the internet, the lack of skills, and the lack of inclusive device or lack of device. At IFB Gaming, we have been tackling digital exclusion since 2016. And in 2019, we partnered with NHS Digital, now part of NHS England, to conduct a usability testing of the NHS app and website. The test was conducted via Microsoft Teams remotely, and the participants recruited from the National Digital Inclusion Network. The National Digital Inclusion Network is also available to us in London. It is a cohort of voluntary sector organizations working to tackle inequalities. So it's also available to us in London through the London Office of Technology and Innovation. Please explore it when you can. Our research with NHS highlighted barriers such as navigating complex interfaces, anxiety over misunderstood language and medical terms, and lack of data for online access. Through this feedback, we are proud to have supported the NHS to manifest healthcare systems that offer multilingual function, clearer and easy to navigate paths, and that are accessible and inclusive. The stats says it all. The NHS system currently might have more users than Netflix. The NHS app has 33.6 million users. There's a 32% rise in participation from non-native English speakers, and more seniors are using the NHS app. Well done. Through this feedback, Empowering Futures was also born at IFB Gaming, our social and planetary initiative focused on tackling digital exclusion. Through Empowering Futures, we have supported 300 people with SIM cards and a further 20 with laptops. At IFB Gaming, we do not believe that access in one of the most connected cities in the world, London, should hinge on one's language or language fluency or proficiency or tech skills. To this end, I want to make the following recommendations to the government. Please, 1, include marginalized voices in the policy design. 2, ensure that access is universal. 3, invest in digital inclusion programs. Support emerging forms of community organizations. At IFB Gaming, we welcome the government's new digital inclusion agenda. It's a very important first step, and we welcome the introduction and use of coalition guides. Let's make sure that no one is left behind in the digital world. Together, we can make sure people, everyone, are connected and can get the help they need when they need it most. I am John Adewale. Thank you.